What's up, dudes? This is Jay, and welcome to my channel. And today we'll be playing Twisted 1.22. If you want more chaotic videos, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. Before the video starts, just look at this man. He's so freaking glow. He's so shiny. Oh my god, he's shiny as hell. And his band. Let's get back to the video. Okay. Guys, there's rotation now, guys. Yeah, rotation. Let's get back when the tornado forms. So, dudes, the tornado form. Um, the funnel is big. The whole convoy is over here. So orange TVS. So when it's not even touchdown, it's now orange TVS. Oh my god. Am I intercepted? The funnel goes up. Did the funnel go up? But why did the funnel go up? Maybe it will touch down and became a wedge. Maybe confused right now. God, I'm confused. Where's the funnel? Where's the funnel? Oh my god. Bro, it's yellow. Yellow. What the frick is yellow? It's red TVS. It hasn't touched down yet. It's a red TVS. Oh my god, it's actually strong. It's red TVS. It's not even. Did not even touch down. How the frick? backing up. Try to wins or yeah. We missed it. I didn't know that touchdown yet, so why did we try to intercept it? Oh my god, it's yellow to BS. I'm freaking confused. Wait. Bro, the news van is lagging. Yo, it's red now. It's pink now. It's pink! And it hasn't even touched down yet. Dudes. It hasn't touched down yet. Go now, Now, go. Let's get rid of that. It's logging me. Go. I'm inside of it. Damn, it's strong. Damn. Yo, the news van is getting sucked in. How? Yo, the funnel it's going down. The funnel is going down. It's not a wedge, but yeah. Oh shoot, go in the dirt road. Go! 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 Come on! Please! Oh my god! The tornado attack! It must be strong, I guess. Because it can do that. It can do that to tornado attack. Who was that guy that got through on the map? Dudes, I hope I would turn out like that, bro. I'm scared. Dudes, I'm racing against it. I need to intercept it again because it's pink now. It's small, but it's strong. Me and the team 2 guy is trying to race it down. We need to go faster. So it's getting closer. It's getting closer. Shoot. Oh shoot. Come on. bro. Come on. Dude! Be faster, dude. There's a turn over here. You can do it. Yes! 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 Thank you. Oh, go. Is it turning into a wedge? No, it's still a cone. Oh, shoot. Sorry if it's blurry, guys. So this tornado ain't weak at all. Damn, what's that effectivity? Oh shoot, why am I in the grass? Oh shoot, what is this? What, bro? I'm freaking lagging. Oh my god, bro. To go, I hit the bridge. Oh shoot. Go, go, go! Maybe I'll use tornado attack much faster. Bro, I hit the sign, bro. Why did I was looking at radar. I always hit everything when I look at radar. On my way out here, guys. Yeah, the tornado is big now. I'll go to the dirt road. I'll wait if it shifts. I'll wait. Yeah, it shifted. Let me go back. Go back. Backwards more. More back. More. Right here. Here. Yo, why is my car? What is my Utah doing? Utah, what are you doing? Yo, no! Stupid. I hate that bug. Why is there a bug like that, bro? Hate that. Let me reset, bro. Let me reset. Oh my god, I hope I spawn at Medina. Please let me spawn at Medina. Please. No! My god, man. Let's find a new storm. So dudes, this new storm is getting really strong. Oh shoot. That's the funnel. Oh my god, it's big. Look at the dust cloud. Damn, I use my YouTube right now. Nah, damn, I use my tornado attack as I'm faster than it. I only use it when it's close. Screenshot. Oh my god. Dude, shifted more suddenly. Change it to YouTube. Hope the bug won't do that again. I hate that bug. What the frick happened to that bug? Fix the bug, Twisted. Okay. Go. 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 Go, 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 go. Bro, where's my roads? Oh my god, I got to buy again. Wait, faster. Down drums. Okay, deploy now. Oh shit, let me see it. Deploy now. Get the spikes in. Get the flaps in. You get the spikes in. Get the spikes in. Oh please, get the spikes in. Oh shit. We're sliding. I just the tornado twisted tamer just got flung. The twisted tamer just got flung. I saw it. I thought it was it. My god. So dudes, I'm going back to it again, intercepting it again. So it's turning into a wedge now. This was the tornado that flew me. This is the tornado that flew me. Shoot. able to intercept this. Yo! Debris! Wait, is that a whole house? No, it's... No, yeah, I see it. Is that the whole house? No, it's just a frame, but... Wait. It was a house. Shoot, it's right next to me. Go, 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 go. Go! 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 Put down. I'm gonna put players in the one. Yo! Yo! Let me see it! Dude, no, yes. There you go. It missed. Oh my. It missed my pro, but... Shoot. Shoot. Hope it doesn't slay me, please. Don't, please. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Come on. Shoot, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. No, no, no. Error. My God. My God. My God. Error. Go, go, go. 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 Holy cow. This must be 200 plus. Go, 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 go. Go. Shoot. Go. 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 Come on, I can do this. I can do this. That is the timeout. It's going. 23 is going. Go, go. I think right beside this tree I should deploy. Yes, right beside this tree. Put it down my pros and ride with myself. Okay, deploying now. Deploying. It's too late. Deploying. Get the flaps in. Get the spikes in. Turning on the lights. This is night. Wait, it's weak. Dude, it's weak. 120. I think it's 120. Yeah, 127. I missed it. This will be the end of the video, guys. After this, I might make an outro. God, that's a big one. Ciao. And that's about it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.